So if you're deciding to do a kitchen rehab, there's many options that you can do. You can have things customized and built to the layout and the specifications of what you're looking for. For me, in order to save some money, I decided to go modular and choose cabinetry that was kind of made to measure, but would fit whatever the standard sizes of the modular furniture that they have. And I worked with a local company here that coordinates directly with the builder. And I'm going to have the cabinets put in. They were designed and they were measured to scale. Now they'll be coming in very soon. The kitchen designer worked with the builder to make sure that all of the appliances and fixtures were set up appropriately, especially the sink, the dishwasher, the stove, and the refrigerator. And this will be coming in fairly soon. So if you're looking for something reasonable, you can go modular design, but you can also do custom made, or even cheaper, you can do something like a standard IKEA or Leroy Merlin, which are the big box retailers over here in Andalusia.